Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today I'm going to show an easy breakfast or snack item Kudumulu, made with only 3 ingredients: rice flour, salt and water. Tastes delicious with tomato chutney. Kids can try with peanut chutney as well. You can make these in instant pot and idli cooker. As these are made with rice flour, comparatively better than maida or all-purpose flour. First let's get started with the dough making. On stove top, boil 1/4 cup of water in a bowl. Add quarter teaspoon salt or little more. Once it gets a boil, turn off the flame. Add 1 1/2 cups of rice flour. Mix water and flour well. Cover with a lid. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Mix the dough once. Knead it lightly. Water versus rice flour ratio should be little less. Add little water if needed now. Knead it to soft dough. Doesn't need to be too smooth. Add little rice flour if dough is too soft. Take a small portion and roll to make a ball. Press gently with palm to flatten in the middle. After a while, hands will get sticky with dough. Wash hands and make the balls again. Now it's easy to make non-sticky balls. Knead the dough once in the middle to avoid drying and hardening. For sticky hands, you can grease palms with little water. Makes it easy and comes out non-sticky. No more ghee or oil. Now you see Kudumulu got ready for steaming. Take small or normal sized idli plate. No need to grease the plates. Place the balls directly as per size. Let's see instant pot way. Add water in instant pot. Place idli plates without stand. Close the lid. Set pressure valve to ceiling. You can either use pressure cook or steam mode. Set pressure cook mode for 5 minutes at high pressure. No need of keep warm. Or use steam mode for 10 to 12 minutes. Wait for 10 minutes or until pressure valve sits down. You can see Kudumulu cooked well. Serve hot with tomato chutney for enhanced taste. As it's ghee and oil free, it will get hardened a little in open air. Keep in airtight container or hot pot for later use. Let's see idli cooker way. Stack plates on stand. Heat idli cooker on stove top. Add some water. Insert idli plates with stand. Close the lid. Cook on high flame for 10 minutes or until whistles. Wait for 10 minutes. Kudumulu got steamed well. Enjoy with tomato or peanut chutney. See you again with more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.